Lockdown is extended to 2 more weeks due to increasing a number of positive cases in India. Everybody stay at home, save a life.
Hi, Rashmi. We hear lot about this coronavirus. Do you know what exactly it is and why it has spikes around its surface?
Yeah, I did a research on its reason. I'll explain to you. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by newly discovered coronavirus. Spikes that decorate the membrane surface of COVID-19 is the common target for neutralizing the effect of antibodies and vaccines. So, we need to be clean enough to prevent ourselves from this virus. Very true. It looks like a flower, but very dangerous to be touched on.
Oh, it reminds me of the proverb, all that glitters is not gold, isn't it? I didn't get you, Rashmi. How can you say that being clean can block corona entering our body?
These are very tiny microorganisms. They are not visible through our naked eyes. Only if you observe through a compound microscope, you will be able to see at least 60% of its presence. If you wash your hands using clean water, they don't wash off and you need the presence of alcohol content in sanitizer or soap to make them wash off from a body.
Oh, is it so?
Another important thing you need to remember is that while buying the sanitizers, you must buy 60% of alcohol-based sanitizers to make them more effective than the normal ones.
Definitely, Rashmi. What happens if someone forget to wash their hands or sanitize them?
If they don't wash off with sanitizers or soap, these virus may enter into our eyes, nose, mouth, etc. and reaches the lungs, leading to respiratory infections. We should behave properly while sneezing or coughing because these viruses may come out through the swamp and get covered on the surfaces like table, key, doors, mobile phones, etc. And when someone comes in contact with these surfaces, the virus enters into their body and causes trouble.
Oh, is it? That is why doctors advise us to wear mask or follow elbow method while sneezing, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Now I understood completely. I will tell everyone in my family to wash their hands regularly and properly with soap water or sanitizer.
It is not only about keeping ourselves clean. Certain other surfaces also need to be cleaned at regular intervals.
What do you mean by other surfaces, Rashmi? Do you mean surfaces like door handles, keys, etc.?
Yes, absolutely. After we come from outside, we generally wash our hands, keep our shoes out, put our clothes for washing, and then we settle down. But we forget to sanitize the doors, keys, bags, etc. It is preferable to wash the bags and sanitize the door handles at regular intervals. Another important thing is mobile phone. What do you think we should do with the mobile phone?
I believe we should carry absolutely the necessary steps when we go out. It is preferred to forget mobile phones and calls for small duration. If we carry these mobile phones, then generally we take call. At the same time, we get in contact with fruits, vegetables, groceries. But once we come back, I think it is good idea to clean these mobile phones. But I don't know how to clean these mobile phones without breaking or damaging.
It is not a problem's region. I'll help you out. Mobiles can be disinfected wiping with an alcohol solution. But make sure that you pay special attention towards the screen, buttons and speakers which may get trapped.
I understood your point, Rashmi. By the way, how can we disinfect fruits, vegetables, groceries? I don't think I can sanitize them.
You don't need to be panic, Susan. Everything has a solution. Fruits and vegetables should be washed under normal running water before taking them into your house and putting them into your refrigerator. For the packets of groceries, they need to be washed under running water with soaps or disinfectants.
Oh, I feel so relieved, Rashmi. You know so many things. One more thing, Rashmi. In daily news, I watched that some people get recovered while some other day, so many days to get recovered. Is it that?
This is an important question. This requires
safe from this virus attack. Even I look forward to hear from them. Thank you, Rashmi.